Shanghai Hengrui Industry Company Limited was located in Shanghai. Our expertise lies in supplying standard bolts, nuts, washers, which mainly are used in the field of structural steel industry, metal building industry, oil and gas industry, tower and pole industry, wind energy industry, and mechanical equipment industry. We are also specializing in non-standard fasteners, turning parts, machining parts, and stamping parts based on the customer's drawing or samples. Our raw materials include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, aluminum and brass, etc. Follow ISO 9001 International Quality Standard. Hengrui strictly control the whole production processes, from raw material, cold-hot forging, threading, heat treatment, surface treatment, package, and loading. Testing will run through the entire processes, from retest of raw material and random inspection in each production step, and final inspection for finished production. Hengrui issue the test reports before shipment, also can send products to the third party to inspect according to the client's requirement. Our package includes standard package and non-standard package, like small boxes, steel plastic pail, wooden cases with the client's logo. Win-win cooperation is our company culture, through to proving customers with high quality and reliable products, on-time lead time, offer good after-sales service and professional technical support. Hengrui has built long-term cooperation relationship with many big project customers in USA and Canada. Now our clients are from North America and South America, Europe, etc. Hengrui is building the warehouse system to meet the requirements for quick delivery time, small order, and guarantee the on-time delivery. We will definitely make every effort to grow together with our customers and witness a beautiful future.